All right, sorry about that, everybody. I had a call in between videos, and this way I can go ahead and finish this off. So this will be the second half of the going through my page, whatever you would call these, I guess collections. Where we left off was the Echo Park, Let's Be Mermaids. So I have this really pretty blue one, and I'm going to go with this one right here and put this in my color, like, card stock. I also have this one right here, which I don't really use these that much. And then I have this really pretty blue one, and it looks like waves. So I'm going to keep this side. This side right here is all the colorful colors. And then here is this orange polka dot with pink. Interesting. I'm going to go with the multicolored one. I have these whales, and then I have the turtles. I think I'm going to go with the whales because I feel like I could use this as like a birthday or a baby, card or something like that. So then I have these really cute fish and then this really pretty yellow. I think I'm going to go with the yellow. I don't have a lot of yellow in my stash, so gonna deal with that. And then we have these really cute background, like swirls and little fish and all that. And then we have the seahorses. I'm gonna go with this side. So then we have the cut aparts, and then we have these crabs. I have these cut aparts already, so I'm gonna stick with the crabs because they're so darn cute, and I just feel like it would make a cute like page. Especially since I live in Maryland. I'm from Maryland. We love crabs in Old Bay. So this one right here is another cut apart. And then you have the polka dots. And I am going to go with the polka dots because I know I have this cut apart. And I've already used these, I believe. I might have. So we're going to go with the polka dots. And then the last one is this blue wave. And then these title strips, I guess. I'm going to go with the blue waves because I know I have the other one. And I have these stickers. I'm going to keep them because they are very functional, but I'm going to put them with all my stickers. So let's go ahead and put those with the stickers set. And I am going to definitely put this in with my sheets. I'm not going to keep this as one, so they'll go into my color, like my individual colors. So these right here are Easter. We love Easter. I mean, we celebrate Easter, should I say. However, I don't know if I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of Easter layouts, maybe like one or two. So we'll go ahead and we'll go through it. I don't know if I'm going to keep this all together or not. So this one right here has the cut aparts. I will certainly keep it for the cut aparts because there's nothing on that side. There is this really, here's the second cut apart, so I would definitely keep this side, or for that side. There is this, like I said, I don't really use this that much, so I would go with the flowers. And it looks like I get double, so I would definitely go with the flowers again. So there is this little egg one, and then this little like swirly multicolored one. I'm going to use one of each. I loved this one. I had this sheet. I think I maybe had a couple of sheets of this collection. And I love the carrots. The other side is green. I'm going to keep it for both of them because you just have to. They're so stinking cute. And then we have the Easter Bunny. And then we have these blue little plus signs. I'm going to keep it for both of them. Keep one of each. I feel like that's what I'm going to be doing this whole time. Except for this one. Not a fan of this. So I will be keeping it for the dots. And then there is the stickers. So I'm going to be keeping those. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to keep that as one full collection or break it down. I might actually keep it with the spring collection too, because they look like they go really well together. So we'll see. We will see. Okay, so we have that. Gonna keep it for that side. Are these doubled? It looks like they are. It looks like they're the same. So we have the same, so we're gonna keep it for the green. So we have one side is pink and one side is these really cute birds. I will keep it for the pink. We have these really crazy busy, like super busy ones, and then these rain clouds, and I'm gonna keep them for both of the rain clouds. We have these really pretty flowers, and then the stripes on the back. I think these flowers are really busy, but I will keep one of each. It'd be cute to like start like a base kit off of that. So we have these gardening. They're so stinking cute. I just don't know how well I would use that. And then the polka dots, white polka dots with yellow. I'm going to keep one of each. Then we have these like really cute, I guess, flowers. And then on the side, we have the pink. I personally like this side, so I'm going to stick with both of those being the same. And then we have the color, or the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which we are keeping. All right, so the next one is going to be Passport. This is by Cartabella. I know for a fact I will be tearing this one down if I don't like everything, because I'm not a traveler very much. This was from the Echo Park warehouse box I got. So let's go ahead and go through and see what we can find. I love Cartabella paper. It just feels so nice. So I like this side. I do not like this side, so I will be adding this into my single sheets. And I have like a stack over here underneath of everything that I'm putting single sheets. Not a fan of that. I would use this side, so we'll use it for that side. Just put it in with the colored stripes paper. Not a fan of either one of these. Just not. Even the postcards, I just don't know if I would use these. So I'm going to pass those along. I have this, what are these things called? I don't even know. I don't travel that much. And then this red. I'm going to go with the red and keep this one. Because you got to keep Cartabella paper. But see what I'm talking about? This is why I saved them, because this would be a really cute 4th of July layout. Like, you don't have to necessarily think of this as flying or anything like that. So that is why I am going through these like this, because a lot of them I'm not using them for what they are. Not a fan of these, so I'm going to donate. Let's see. I do like the back. I think I could use that for something. There is this one, which are the cut aparts. Not a fan. I don't know if I'm a fan of this one either, but I could like matte photos on this so you wouldn't see that it's airplanes. So we'll keep that one for that side. There's this one, and then the other side is this one. I'm going to keep it for this side. When I think of this, I actually think of like a science center. So I think it would be really cool to do some photos whenever everything opens back up. We can go to the science center. So I'm going to pass along this one right here. These are really, really stinking cute. I just don't think I would ever use them. And this is really cool. I think I would use this more because I could matte the photos on this side. So we'll keep that one. We have this one right here. Looks like this is New York. And then we have the world globes. I would probably use the globes more than anything. And then here is, this one is really, really cool. We have this side. I think I'm going to keep this side. I love this color. But this is actually really, really cool for like, you know, I could see Stella using that for her projects when she gets into school. So this right here, this is tough because this is a full sticker sheet. And like I have been to New York City, but I haven't been like a whole, like I would use the globe. We're going to go ahead and pass this along because I just don't feel like I'm going to use it. And like I said, guys, this is going pretty fast. And I do apologize for all of the noises I'm making, but you know, I just want to go through these and show you guys. So this one right here is by Echo Park. This is called Paper and Glue. I love this one because it is like school themed. It's very, 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 very cute. I think I'm going to keep all of this because, what is that? Is that a sticker? Oh no. My sticker must have came off of this and now is like, oh man. Okay. Well, that can't be used. Don't know why I would stick that on there, but this is all ruined. Okay. Okay. I could use it for this side though. Not giving up on it. I'll add that one there. Okay, so we do have a lot of this used up. I'm going to put this with my sticker sheets because it is almost completed. And we have, I'm going to stick these with my, my scraps. This one right here is used, but I'm going to put this in the 12 by 12 because I feel like I could cover this up with something. And then the other side is this, which is, it's really cute stuff, but I'm going to keep it for the scissor side. I love this side more than the flowered, so I would keep this side. The glasses or these really cute, this would probably be a cut apart, but I think I'm going to keep it for the glasses because I feel like I could do a couple layouts for that. And then we have the measuring tapes and then all of these different kind of cool things. So I'm going to keep it for this side. And I'm going to make sure that these stay together somewhat in my scraps because, you know, you need to keep them together. So I'm going to use these as the cut aparts. And then this is actually going to be used in my scraps because it is a big scrap. So, all right, we are, I don't even know, 13 minutes in. I'm almost done. I have 2 more, guys. And this one is called, what is this? Gal Meets Glam. I got this from Tuesday Morning. This is from My Mind's Eye. And it is, it is like a smaller collection. So it's $3.99. Didn't come with a whole lot. Which is fine, but it did come with some stickers, I believe, and I started to use this as a cut apart. Oh, there's the stickers. Super cute. All right, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this together. I might actually keep this as a page kit and just use it as a page kit because it is so small. It probably would be best to do that. I can get like at least 2 pages out of it. So I did cut apart these little hearts, obviously. So I'm going to keep probably the majority of this. And I love this side. I love this right here too. This is so cute. I probably would keep that side. Hairpins. And then the like everyday stuff. I love the hairpins. Glasses, and then lashes for sure. And this pretty floral, and then the pink. I think I would go with the pink because that'll bring out a little bit more. So I'm actually going to put this into a baggie and make this a page kit. And just keep it kind of all together because it is a lot. And I feel like it would be best to keep it all together. So we'll keep that. All right, guys, the last one, the wildlife. All right, let's see what we can get into today with this. So I'm gonna pull out all my scraps. I thought that I had went through everything with scraps. Apparently I did not. So I don't know why I'm keeping this. I'm going to recycle that. These are all tiny scraps. I'm going to actually recycle those because there's no point in keeping them. I'm going to put that in my scraps. Here's the first sheet. Here is the sticker sheet. I used a majority of them. This was really hard for me to use, so I probably will be taking this apart because I will use it in other forms. So this will go into my sticker collection. I don't even know why I'm keeping all these. These are all so tiny. I guess because I thought maybe I was going to do like another one, but there is a certain point to what I keep in scraps, and these are like, I don't keep these. So we will keep this scrap right here. All right, so we have this one right here, which is all of the, what are these called? I want to say like they're all the different not galaxies, but you know what I mean. These are signs, and then you have these are the horoscope signs, I think. And then you have this constellations. That's what they are. You have this orange, which I'm going to keep it for the orange. Put that in my single stack. I have this side right here, which is very busy, and then this side, which is not very busy. Are these both the same? I will keep it for both of these. I could probably mat something on these. So use that. And then the bear and the wildlife. I'm going to go with the bear. Just putting that out there. I love this. This is so cute. So, all right, guys, that is it. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. Okay, there we go. So I have a couple of ones that I am keeping together, I think. I'm going to show you guys what I have so far. Let me go ahead and put this. So these right here are all stacks that I am probably going to keep together. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely keeping. This right here is a stack of 12 by 12s that I will be putting into my color bin, my colors, organizing that way. So then that way I can start to maybe make some more page kits using them. I think that would be a lot of fun. So I have those, and then I have a little tiny stack that I am donating, purging with. So I have a couple loose leaf papers, and then I have this paper as well. I am going to be going through my regular scrapbook paper and going through that to see what I could find. But this is just going through all the kits that I have and basically playing around with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this purge video. I know some people are purging as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!